Hello, my name is Icarana Ficania from 7 Euclid. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a division table in Microsoft Excel. So first open the Microsoft Excel. Then type 1 and 2 in column A. Do the same in row B and C. Then highlight. Then drag the field handle all the way up to 101. Do the same in row B and C. CW. After that, type the formula. Press enter. Then drag all the way up to 100. Then across to CW. If you want, you can change the color of the first row with different colors depending on your own liking. So I'm going to change this into color blue. First column. I'm going to change it into color red. To change the name, double click, then type. That's it. The division table is done. Thank you.